Hi, my name is Rakesh. So I'm the regional marketing manager for the brand Little Millennium in Tamil Nadu. So இன்னைக்கு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா we are doing a kids marathon activity along with Kalam books of records. இது வந்து ஒரு வேர்ல்ட் ரெக்கார்ட் அட்டம். இன்னைக்கு இருக்கிற சூழல பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இந்த சைல்டு அபியூஸ் அப்படின்றது பார்த்தீங்கன்னா டெய்லி பேசிஸ் இட்ஸ் ஹேப்பனிங். ஸோ அதுக்கு அகேன்ஸ்ட் வந்து நம்ம ஒரு அவேர்னஸ் கிரியேட் பண்ணோம். அதுக்காக தான் வந்து we are organizing this marathon. So we are doing it on in YMCA Nandhanam. And இன்னைக்கு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு 2000 குழந்தைங்க total of 2,000 children along with parents have participated, and you can just see the crowd. People are enjoying it, and this shows they will love to show support to the cause.
Hi, hello everyone. So we are from Little Millennium Bollineni branch. So she's in the DR group there. So we were proud to participate in such an event because in society, right, today we have a biggest challenge is like child abuse. I think none of the things are coming out. I think all these events are kind of acknowledging the events and giving a priority for the importance of child development and all those things. So it's a social event. We are very happy and proud to be part of this event.
So Millennium Chennai, we are overwhelmed by the response today. More than 2,000 children joined us today for the cause of child abuse. They were running against child abuse, and we do this every year. We have been doing this event since last 10 years in all over India, Bangalore, Chennai, Surat, Delhi and so on. And every time when we do this, we come with the thought of spreading awareness and giving back to the society and also empowering our little ones. And thank you all for joining us today and making this overwhelming. Humbled and very grateful that parents supported us, our business partners supported us, and
Thank you so much for time for your.
Thank you, Vera. Thank you, Vera. Thank you. Thank you.
so very grateful for everyone. Thank you so much.
And thank you again for Kalams Records for being a part of this kids marathon. Thank you so much.
Thank you for watching. Consider subscribe our channel Kalams World Records and click the bell icon. Like, comment down and share.